Hey, what's up guys? This is Mark and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm just excited to just teach you guys a new song. This is Hold On by Justin Bieber. And you need a capo for this one. So just get your capo and put it on the 4th fret. And basically this whole song just consists of 4 chords. And the 4 chords are A minor, G, F, C. Okay? So let's just play the chords. A minor, G, F, and C. So the intro starts off with a melody line, and the melody line goes like this. Right? So basically what's happening there is just an A minor chord, a G chord, an F chord, going back to a G in the intro. So how you play the melody line is just putting your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And you're going to pluck the 5th string, which is the A note, and then the 2nd string, 3rd string. Okay? And after that you're going to pluck the 5th string and then the 2nd string. So it's like this. Right? And the rhythm for it goes like 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? Fairly simple. So the next chord is the G chord in the intro. So all you're going to do is just play the exact same pattern, but now you're going to play the G note in the bass instead of the A note. So it goes like this. Simple. Now we're going to play the F chord. Exact same thing, index finger still stays the same place, and you're gonna put the F note in the bass. After that you're gonna go back to the G chord, and there you go, the intro melody line. So for the verse it's exactly the same thing, but instead of a 4-bar chord progression, A minor, G, F, G, it's now an 8-bar. So it's A minor, G, F, G, A minor, G, F, C. Alright? So it goes like this. Okay, so notice I played in the C chord in the 8th bar, and all I did was just put my ring finger on the C note and just play the exact same pattern. Okay, for F chord, what I do is I just put my middle finger on the 1st fret of the 6th string so that my index finger doesn't have to move at all when you're playing the intro and the verse. So yeah, that's the intro, very straightforward. And now let's move on to the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus is just A minor for 1 whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then goes to G. For another bar, goes to F. For another bar, goes back to G. Right? Now here is where it gets slightly different. So on the 5th bar of the pre-chorus, it goes to A minor. Right? On the 2nd bar, it goes to G/B, which basically means a G chord with a B note in the bass. And you can just play it like this. Put your middle finger on 2nd fret of the 5th string, strum it from 5th string all the way to the 2nd string, like that, right? And on beat 3 of the 2nd bar, you're gonna play a C. And on bar 3, you're gonna play an F. And then the bar after that, you're just gonna rest. That's a break, okay? So if I were to play the whole pre-chorus, the whole 8 bars, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. Nice. So let's move on to the chorus. So for the chorus, the chord progression is the same as the verse: A minor, G, F, G, then A minor, G, F, C. So it's an 8-bar chord progression, and it repeats twice. So because we know the chords, let's just play the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern I use is a very common strumming pattern. Most other songs use the same strumming pattern too. I just play down, down, up, down. So on beats 1 and 2, I do a down strum. On beat 2N, I do an out strum. On beat 3N, I do an up strum. On beat 4, I do a down strum. Alright? So it's like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 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 So that's the chorus. And then after that, it goes on to verse 2. So you can just play the exact same thing you learned. Right? Then it goes to the pre-chorus, and it goes back to the chorus again. And for the bridge, I just do a down strum on beat 1. And the bridge is pretty similar to the verse and the chorus, but there's also just a slight variation on the 8th bar. So the first 4 bars is the same as the verse and the chorus. A minor goes to G, goes to F, goes to G. Then A minor again, G, F. Then you just take a rest on the 8th bar. You just don't play anything. After that, it goes back to the chorus. And since coming from the bridge, the chorus is pretty mellow, you can just do a down strum on beat 1 for the first 8 bars, and then go back to the strumming pattern in after that, right? And basically, there you have it. That's the whole song for Hold On by Justin Bieber. Very simple and very easy to play, and just an overall very catchy song. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this lesson, and if you guys do enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more guitar lessons. I had a good break, just taking some time off social media, and I'm just ready to get back on it and just share with you guys more guitar stuff, So yeah. And if you guys haven't heard, I've released a new single last month with good friends Tayo, Elisha, and Haniel. So the link will be in the description below. So do check out the new single I released with my friends. If you guys like Joji vibes and just bassy overall vibes. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, take care, and see you. Bye bye.